Hello and welcome. My name is Tagar Harrington, and today I'm going to share with you why C-Store Office from Petrosoft is a must-have for convenience store and gas station owners. You see, in today's environment, having a store is much different than when a lot of our parents and grandparents own one. The days of managing just a couple hundred items or less are long gone. Today's market has changed from corner store to big business. Owners now are managing thousands and thousands of items in a store with ever-changing costs on virtually every order they make. Owners are also faced with a growing competition. Fuel prices rising, overworked staff, and inaccurate or slow-moving data coming from the store. All these factors combined make it virtually impossible to have a highly profitable business. And using homemade spreadsheets to compare information is not as effective or efficient as it could be for you. The good news is, there is a game changer for you, and that's C-Store Office from Petrosoft. You see, the reason we know your problem so well is not just because we cater to this industry, but also because we own and operate 20 of our own sites and have experienced many of the same problems you're going through. Our average customer increases his or her store profit margin by 5%. Imagine what that would mean to you on a monthly basis. If your store is selling $75,000 in inside sales a month, that's an extra $3,750 in your bank account this month, or a staggering $45,000 more per year. Now, let's say you happen to get less than average results and increase your profit margin by only 2%. In that same $75,000 store, you'd be making an extra $1,500 a month. That's $18,000 more a year. And all of that comes to you with having more free time from the things you're doing right now. The average store manager spends 3 to 4 hours every day doing paperwork. That's time that can be spent on the floor with customers. The average C-Store Office manager spends between 45 minutes and 1 hour using our system each day. That's a 75% reduction in paperwork. Now, if we look at this over the course of a month, you're saving 160 man-hours because you can take your second cashier off the first shift. And what that does is that frees up $1,280 a month in labor costs alone. Across our 20 locations, we're able to save $25,000 per month. I know these statistics are incredible, especially if you're sitting there today wondering when you're going to get some free time or how you can achieve these same results. You see, the tools in C-Store Office that are really going to propel your business forward have to do with item level tracking and automated ordering. Our complex algorithms give you a much clearer picture of how your business is doing today and shows you where to make changes. Having item level reports, we're able to track the progress and life cycle of every item on your shelf. This benefits your business in a number of ways. One of the ways, it identifies every item in the store from dead inventory all the way to your best-selling items. And you'll know exactly what profit margin each is contributing to your overall gross profit. Using this level of detail in our automated ordering feature allows store managers to know what's needed well beyond the point of just making a guess based on what's on the shelf. Most store managers spend anywhere from an hour and a half to 3 hours creating their weekly grocery order. Or with C-Store Office, you can do all of this work with just the click of a mouse. Now, we know industry reports read that the average shrinkage rate across the country is 1.8%. But what we see with stores without any back office software is really around 3 to 4%. After they implement C-Store Office, that drops well below 1%. Across our 20 locations, we're currently running at a 0.34% shrinkage rate, with some stores as low as 0.02% shrinkage rate. Automated ordering is one of the key reasons for this. It eliminates any over-ordering, which we all know leads to possible theft and spoilage at the store location. The power and quality we provide to our customers, and at such an affordable price, lies in our business model. We provide software to our customers as a service, which is also known as SaaS. This gives you a true internet-based model. Through this model, you can control and oversee any or all of your locations from any device with internet access. This also allows you to access store information when you need it from wherever you are. Through the SaaS model, you have a very small initial investment compared to some other companies that want you to spend $5,000 or more per site just to get you started. Our model also allows for faster deploys to you, so when we create new features and updates, you're getting something to take advantage of every month. Because we're taking care of the back end, you and your staff can focus on higher value tasks instead of worrying about hardware and IT-related busy work. By now, I'm sure you're starting to see how over and over again we reduce your workload, increase your profits, and improve the overall health of your business. Here at Petrosoft, we believe in completely minimizing your risk as a customer, and to prove that, we have no upfront licensing costs and no long-term contract. In fact, our contract is month to month from the very first month. So you as a customer have the confidence in knowing we are a proactive company from the start. So if you can make more money in less time, don't you owe it to yourself to check out C-Store Office today? Go to cstoreoffice.com and request your free one-on-one demo, and I or one of our team members will show you exactly how to have the business you desire and work so hard for.